Breaking updates on the grisly Shraddha murder case. In fact, Delhi court has extended the police remand of Aftab Poonawala by another 4 days. Court allows a lie detector test. So that's the breaking update that we are getting from Delhi. Aftab Poonawala, the accused in the Shraddha murder case, his custody has been extended by another 4 days. Police custody extended by another 4 days. Of course, court allowing lie detector test as well. So that's the breaking update that we are getting of the grisly Shraddha murder case. Of course, multiple teams had been sent, in fact, are in different parts of the country conducting its investigation. In fact, Aaftab was also taken to the place where he had allegedly disposed of the body parts. Some of the body parts, of course, have been found. However, lie detector test is something that the police is at the moment relying on. We have Sabyasachi with us. Sabyasachi, of course, police remand extended of Aaftab. Investigations going on in full swing. Multiple teams in different countries. Take us through the details of the investigation so far and, of course, about the police remand extension as well.
Well, absolutely. See, right now the police is currently investigating the entire murder case with open-minded and open-ended. They have told the court that Aaftab in several occasions have changed its statement. First, they have said that Aaftab has said he has dumped the murder weapon in front of his office in Gurugram, where from the past 2 to 3 days, the Delhi police is currently carrying out a search operation. Then later he said that he has thrown the murder weapon in the Mehroli Ridge area, to which also the police carried out statement. Now the police straight away has told the court that we cannot rely on Aaftab because he's continuously changing his statement. And at this circumstances, the polygraph test becomes extremely important because several evidence have been collected by the Delhi police so far. One of the major evidence that the Delhi police have collected is the jaw part that they have recovered. Though they have sent it to the forensic team, and before sending it to the forensic team, they have also consulted dentists. And dentists have pointed out that in that particular jaw that they have collected, root canal was done. So they have contacted Shraddha's father and brother as well to ask about whether Shraddha had gone through a root canal or not, to which the father and has accepted. Now the Delhi police is investigating this matter from several angles because so far they are yet to collect the murder weapon, the missing remains of Shraddha's body part, as well as the clothes that Shraddha was wearing that night when she was murdered. So right now, since the Delhi police cannot rely on Aaftab's statement completely, they have to go for the polygraph test to disclose where Aaftab has actually dumped the murder weapon as well as the other crucial evidences. Now, the Delhi police is battling against time because time is running away, though the court have granted a 4-day extension of Aaftab's custody, as well as they have granted permission for the polygraph test. Now, the major question arises is that the FSL team, the forensic team here, will play a major crucial role. Because of the timeline, the forensic team's role becomes extremely crucial. Yesterday also, we have spoken to several forensic team department officials who will be conducting. They have said the police have not completely handed over all the evidences that they have collected from various locations across the national capital. Now the police have also increased their searches along with national capital to several parts as well, where we are seeing that in Gurugram also the searches are being carried out, and the Delhi police team had also reached to Maharashtra, to Uttarakhand, in Himachal Pradesh as well, where both of them went. So clearly at this particular time, the Delhi police will be relying on the polygraph test, as well as hoping that the evidences that they have collected and the DNA samples that they have collected, because the DNA test takes around 21 days. So it's a completely long procedure for the DNA profiling to take place. So right now, the Delhi police is investing this case with open-minded and open-ended.
Right. DNA test results also awaited. Also, Sabyasachi, who are the people who've been questioned so far? We know that multiple teams are there across the country, especially in Maharashtra, where both accused and the victim belong. We know that for a fact that police had questioned several people associated with Shraddha, her family, friends. But we believe that they have not been able to trace some of the relatives of Aaftab, especially Aaftab's father. So could you take us through who have been questioned so far, especially, outside of Delhi, associated with both Aaftab as well as Shraddha, and who are still untraceable for Delhi police?
Well, rightly pointed out. See, Aftab's parents, the Delhi police earlier had said that they are in touch. But right now, the Delhi police is also not ruling out that angle. The Delhi police will be questioning Aftab's parents soon. That's what we are getting from our sources. But till now, they have not appeared in front of Delhi police. Along with that, the Delhi police have questioned several mutual friends of Shraddha and Aftab. We have seen that the Delhi police have recorded several testimony of Shraddha's friend who have said that Shraddha was in an abusive relation. And also the police have questioned four of Aftab's friend who knew Aftab before he got into a relationship with Shraddha. So along with friends and family, the Delhi police is also questioning the places, the hotel owners where Aftab and Shraddha said, and also the shopkeepers from where Aftab had got the saw, the refrigerator and other equipments. So at this particular time, the Delhi police have widened their investigation. But right now, as I said, the main important details rely on the forensic team. Here, since the timeline is of 6 months, so the forensic team will have to play a major crucial role, because in Aftab's flat, what cannot be visible in naked eye, the forensic team here though have collected blood samples from the kitchen area, from the washroom area, and these samples have been sent for DNA profiling. So right now, on one hand, the police is battling against time, and also because of the continuous change in Aftab's statement, that is also what creating problem for the Delhi police, because yet to recover the murder weapon, though they have said that they have collected a saw from Aftab's residence and other sharp objects which they have sent, but they feel that the major murder weapon is still missing, to which the Delhi police is carrying out the search operation. Meanwhile, they are also questioning the friends and relatives of both Aftab and Shraddha. They are also in touch with Shraddha's father and brother to get the inputs of their relation, as well as they have cross-questioned several mutual friends of Aftab and Shraddha. Though right now the Delhi police lens is on Aftab's parents as well, because as per Shraddha's friends, Aftab was in touch with his parents, and they knew about the kind of relationship Shraddha and Aftab share, because Shraddha used to often visit Aftab's residence. So at this particular time, the Delhi police would get to know whether Aftab's parents were aware of the abusive nature Aftab had or not.
Right, Sabyasachi. So investigations have, of course, widened. More evidence being collected at the moment. Many people being questioned. But as you were pointing out, forensic evidence is the most important one that the Delhi police is relying on. And now, of course, Delhi court extending Aftab Poonawala's custody by 4 more days. Thank you, Sabyasachi, for bringing all those details.